So I've been watching some videos today of guys in the Northern Territory riding their quad bikes in snow, and I thought I'd show them what we're dealing with here down in Australia. Okay, so it was inland a few k's from where I am. It was 40 degrees today, or 39 point something degrees, which is about 100 Fahrenheit. Down here on the coast it was really hot, a hot day for the coast, but it's about 10 degrees cooler than inland. So it was about 29 or so here on the coast, which was about 82 or 80 Fahrenheit. And it's cooling down nicely now, but I just thought I'd show you some of the trails that I ride. I ride in here where there's about 800 acres of empty land with a few trails through it. So I'll take you around and show you what's in here. But we deal with lots of sand here and heat, while you guys in the Northern Hemisphere at the moment are dealing with lots of snow. But it's great to see your videos. I love watching the videos. Ostacruiser and Harvey Spooner and all those people riding in snow. It's brilliant to see your videos. But I thought I'd show you what we're dealing with down here in Australia at the moment. It's pretty hot. Okay, I'll go down here a bit and then I'll turn in and I'll show you some of the sand trails I'm following down here. So here I am just about a minute later or so, one of the sand trails, and these go for miles through here, but they're probably like, whoa, riding one-handed. It's probably like riding on snow, but okay, so there's another trail down there. There's trails everywhere, but riding on sand in the heat, end of a long hot day. Pretty dense off to the sides. You'd find it hard to poke through there. Same on this side. It's only a little scrub, but it's still pretty thick. You could probably poke through in parts, but yeah, I'm staying on the trail at the moment. One hand, it's already hard enough on sand. There's a whole lot of vacant land over here. There's a trail down this side of the fence that goes for probably about 4 or 5 k's, and it comes out at a road, a bitumen road, and I just turn around and come back along here. There's a trail, there's lots of trails on the other side of the fence. There's a barbed wire fence that goes all the way down and all the way down there. But this is all, a quarry owns all this in here. A quarry, a sand quarry I think it is. And they've got big piles of gravel and machines and all that down there. So you can't go onto their land. They would definitely have something to say about it if you rode on their land. Down this way, 3 or 4 k's is a beautiful saltwater lake with lots of inlets where you can explore in canoes and stuff. We do a lot of canoeing there. That's really nice. But lots and lots of sand here. They're all my trails. But while you boys are riding around in the lovely cold and the snow in the northern hemisphere, this is what we're dealing with: blistering hot days and sand trails, which is still good fun. But I wish you could send us some snow. Gee, a bit of snow here would be nice. Even some rain. Please send some rain. Everything's so dry. So I'll probably hoon down here a bit, and I'll probably turn the video off now and then show you down further where the quarry is. I'll turn this off for now. So I've just come from way down there, and here's the quarry. They've got some machines you can see from here. There's a whole lot of buildings over there and more machines. And there's a dump truck just through there, dump truck or a truck, and conveyor belts and things. It's only a little quarry, but they've got quite a bit of land. And this trail just goes down there and ends at the bitumen road, and then you can come back along here. It's buildings there. I'm all crossed up here. Hang on. Righto. Back to riding one-handed. That's one of the quarry roads. I wish I could hoon around in there, but they would get the police involved straight away if I did. And there's the end of this trail. Bitumen Road, and you can't continue on the other side. That's all private land. That's the quarry in there. I just do a Yui. That's where my trail goes. 3 or 4 k's that way probably, and then a couple of k's in there, and then I'm back home again. So I've probably got about 5 or 6 k's to go to get home. So anyway, so while you guys in the northern hemisphere are dealing with snow, do spare a thought for us poor Aussies down here and dealing with the heat. Please send us some rain. Okay. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. That's where I'm going. And that's where I've come from. And the quarry's back down there. Poor old tree. Some more poor old trees. there's the water. That's the ocean through there. So I'm back home again. It's a nice afternoon ride.